In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. Let's dive right in. Start by going to the search bar at the top of your HubSpot account and type Invoices. This is the quickest way to get to the Invoices area without digging through menus. Open the Invoices page and you'll see a list of all your existing invoices. This overview is useful for a quick check on what's been issued, what's pending, and what might need attention. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the list, so you know where your new invoice will appear once it's created. To make a new one, click Create Invoice. HubSpot will immediately ask you to choose the invoice type. You have two options, one-time or recurring. Choose one-time if this is a single bill for a specific job or purchase. Choose recurring if you bill the same customer on a regular schedule, like monthly service fees or subscriptions. Picking the right type now helps avoid adjustments later. Next, fill in the invoice details. Start with the billing contact, which is the person who should receive the invoice. Make sure their contact information is accurate so there are no delays. Then select the associated company to keep your records organized and reporting clean. Add your line items, which are the individual products or services you're billing for. Include clear descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and any discounts. Clarity here reduces back and forth and speeds up payment. Set the key dates, such as the invoice date and due date. If your team uses standard payment terms, like net 15, net 30, or due upon receipt, choose the correct option to keep expectations consistent. For recurring invoices, confirm that the timing aligns with your agreement, so the schedule matches how often you intend to bill. If your organization works in multiple currencies or uses taxes, double-check those fields to ensure totals are accurate. Before you finalize, give everything a careful review. Confirm the contact and company associations, scan line items for typos or incorrect quantities, and make sure totals and terms reflect what you agreed with the customer. If there's a notes or memo field available, use it to add helpful context, such as a purchase reference or brief scope summary. That little bit of detail can prevent confusion later. When everything looks right, click Create in the top right corner. HubSpot will save your invoice and add it to your invoice list, where you can find it alongside the rest of your billing records. And that's it. Your invoice is created and ready for next steps within your process. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to create an invoice in HubSpot.